Hey guys, what's going on? Eddie Harvey here from tradewiththat.com. I'm over here at im.center, guys. I'm at the center site, and I want to talk to you guys about another IM Mastery Academy product. So, guys, let's go ahead and go over and let's talk about the IM Bounce Back product. All right, so I'm going to come down here, guys, and let me go to Bounce Back. All right, so here's a rundown of Bounce Back. Listen, Bounce. There's so many great strategies inside of IM. Guys, Bounce Back is another fantastic, powerful strategy, easy to learn and simple, guys. If you want to get in and start looking at charts, learning how to mark up charts and go into the market, this is a great strategy to begin with, and where you're able to take advantage of it with some simple confirmations. So, what Bounce Back is an algorithm giving you quality and precision while identifying entry points within the markets. The trading style is intraday. It doesn't have the number of trades here, but the educators on here are Javier Vasquez, Palacio, Stephen Lindor, and Lex Waves. English and Spanish are the languages. Again, that's the Go Live languages as well. 4 hours a week of education on it. What makes Bounce Back unique? It gives you quality over quantity setups, Go Live sessions, teaching you how to maximize the strategy. Okay. What features does the product include? Sends you notifications, Telegram tell you when there's a new trade found. You also receive trade ideas from experts. So that's how it goes. You receive an alert from Telegram, let you know a new bounce back alert. You go in there and you look at the alert, and if it's obviously doing what it's supposed to be doing, you can obviously enter, or you wait for your trading is a game of patience, right? You wait for your moves to happen for you to be able to get into that trade setup. So here I am, guys. I clicked on bounce back. Here's how it looks new. This is the alert panel, guys, and bounce back allows you to enter into a trade with three simple confirmations. Three simple confirmations, guys, is all you need to get in bounce back, guys. So if bounce back, it's waiting for making sure there's a trend, waiting for price to break that trend, and then waiting for a crossover down here of the MACD and the histogram, guys, where it breaks through. Okay, so without going into all the detail, these are all of the different trade alerts that came in on bounce back. If you look here today alone, one, two, three, four, five potential trade setups. Okay, so when you click on one, you look at Euro AUD, you click on that, and it's talking about, it gives you the around the time it came in, local time, time pass, hours and minutes. You get all of that information right inside of here. Okay. Now the potential trade, obviously, they all are right here. And these are all sales. The red line indicates sales, sales, sales. The green line indicate buys. All right. So this is what it looks like. And then obviously you have the live education and analysis. This is on the 15-minute chart, guys. Obviously you have the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and 30-minute and 5-minute as well. Was talking about the learning how to trade, and you learn it within not only on on Go Live television, but you also learn it inside of where live sessions are done inside the Facebook group as well. So guys, this is Bounce Back, another fantastic strategy. With Bounce Back, you're looking to catch 20 to 40 pips, guys, on a trade setups max, but 20 to 30 I would say is ideal, where you can catch that on Bounce Back, guys, and following some simple to follow strategies. Once the legwork has been done, the charts, the numbers, everything is set up the way it needs to be set up. Once that happens, you simply enter into the trade and then let it do its thing. So that's Bounce Back, guys. I hope you received some value from this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Listen, if you like this video, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, guys. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification up above, guys, where you'll be alerted anytime I go live with fresh new content. Thanks again, guys, for your time. Oh, and if you want to learn more about not only Bounce Back, all the IM Mastery Academy's products, the platform, and how you can earn and learn through it, simply go to tradewithed.com. Talk to you soon.